Hello all, welcome to Tip Central. So today we'll be seeing how to enroll for GCP free access account, and this is I'm doing for my BigQuery practice, and I'll be uploading a couple of videos in coming days. So for that I'm just taking it again. So I thought to share that with you guys, and for that first you have to go to cloud.google.com, and over there you can get started it for free. So you can see the link, and let me just click on that link. And yes, so here you will be getting two options: start with full account and start with free trial. So not getting delayed, so I'll be just starting with free trial account, and I'll be enrolling it for that. And automatically your email ID will be there and the country, so you select your country accordingly. And then here what best describes your organization or needs. So for needs I'll be putting as others, because currently this I'm just enrolling for 3 months, and later I don't want to use this account because this is just for practice. So continue after that. And then yeah, so here you will get option for business or individual. So it is just individual, so you have to select that and enter your card number, and then tax information. So I'll be just like I'm an unregistered individual, tax information I don't have, so I'll not be adding that. And pan and tan, those details is optional, so I'll not be adding those as well, because it is not mandatory. And as well as like for different country it will be different, so you can select accordingly. And then you have to click on start trial. So I'll be adding the card number, and then I'll be clicking on that. So I have just added my card detail, and after that you will be seeing an option to asking for CVV and those details. So don't worry guys, like it will not deduct amount, like hardly it will deduct 1 or 2 rupees just to verify your card. So you can act like you can verify that, and later, like just remember the one thing, before ending of 3 months you can just remove that from GCP account, that card number, that will be option. Then your account will be getting cancelled, like then you won't be getting charged for anything. And also before you will be getting charged, you will get an email to approve that. So that thing you should remember. So I have added the details. Now I'll be clicking on continue. So after adding the OTP, which I've got for 2 rupees, which I done, and now you will be getting an access to the GCP cloud platform, sorry, Google Cloud platform. And here you'll be getting some option like what best describes your. So we have already selected at what brought you to the Google Cloud. So you can just put learn and explore those things. So I'm putting that, and for me it's like a data site, so I'll be selecting that just for uh for the sake, so it is not required. And then it'll be asking for role, so you can just select anything. So I'll be selecting other right now, and student I'll be putting, basically that's that. And then move to the done part, and yeah, you can see the account is created, and still it is asking activate full account. So if you'll not do that, then you won't be getting charged anything except the 2 rupees, which will get refunded as well, like after verifying your card. So you can see now I am having 24,617 credit amount, like for free. So you can utilize couple of features in GCP, like there is cloud storage, BigQuery, and some of those are free only. But if you have to create projects and all those things, so it will require some of the money from this account, so which will get automatically utilized. And also you can see all those things here directly on top, and there will be also options, so which we can see later as well, like cloud overview. So here also you can see. So you should not be worrying about that. And if you have to use particular things that's related to BigQuery and those things, so I have already used like for 3 months, and I don't think like it will be anytime more than 24,000 what you are getting for. So yeah, you can see now BigQuery is there. And also like I'll be using a BigQuery, and you can also use other things which you want, like there are so many products in here, so you can utilize those things. And cloud run, API engine, so many things. So I'll be using BigQuery. Yeah, guys. So this is how you can access the free account, and you can create a project and you can start working on those. Thank you so much. And don't forget, if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.